Okay, I am in the Skyline. Again, dramatic entry. I love how you walk in the front door and you really see right through the house and you see the pretty view. With most of the models, you've got this bathroom here, the front bedroom here. What do you think about that black wallpaper? Put in the comments. Okay, again, just like the Luna model, very similar. You've got this den here, which they have it set up as a like a sitting room. Of course, that feature there, the built-in, would not be included in the model, in your model. Guest bedroom. Look at that carpet. They didn't go neutral, did they? It definitely featured a lot of design options. Okay, and then you've got the main area here. Now, if you notice the difference, the Luna model is about 200 square feet smaller. The model I was just in, if you haven't seen the video, you'll want to catch that. The Luna model has windows and then on the side, a slider. Now, this model has sliders all the way across. So I think for resale, this model is probably going to be a better option because there's a very small difference in price. And people love being able to open up the doors, as much as possible. So that's one of the things I help my clients with, is picking the right options and features so you get the highest return on your investment when it's time to resell. Now, this feature, the Luna did have two closets, two walk-ins, where this one has a sliding and then one walk-in. So you'll want to consider that. In this case, I think the Luna is a better option as far as the closets goes, because people love closet space. Now look how small this bathroom is in comparison to the Luna. So definitely a lot of things to consider. Obviously, you have to consider what's right for you and your budget and your lifestyle. But obviously, you want the best investment, right? So that's what I'm here to help with. So call me if you have any questions on this model or any of the models or anything in Valencia Sky. And just remember, I work for you, not the builder.